We are headed to Ikea. It's nighttime. It gets dark very, very quickly because this is the winter solstice today, the darkest day of the year.
First day of winter.
And we're gonna show you some secrets about Ikea because we know all kinds of life hacks when it comes to Ikea. How you can save a lot of time. A lot of people don't go there because they're afraid of getting caught in the rat's maze.
That's true. A lot of people say, "Oh, I hate Ikea." Well, I love Ikea.
So follow us all the way through this little video and you will thank us for the rest of your life for saving you hours and hours and hours, because there's some people who went into Ikea 5 or 6 years ago and they're still wandering around upstairs.
They've never come out. But anyway, there are secrets that we know. So you got to stick around so you can learn them too. And I'll see you at Ikea. Okay, hack number 1. You don't have to go in the main entrance. You can go in exchanges and returns, or even the exit.
And there's a bathroom right there.
Okay, hack number 2. See this escalator? That goes up to the showrooms. You do not have to go there. Stop! Instead, walk behind it. Come up to where usually they have something called, I don't know how to say it, Smelland? Something like that. But this is where the children usually go and play, and it's closed for now. But
the secret doorway.
Secret doorway to the marketplace. Woohoo! And we have now successfully dodged the entire upstairs.
I love the names of things at Ikea. Where else can you get a Jarka Snoepit? You gotta love the names. And here we have the Black Planet, in Swedish, Snarkebide.
Another hack, there are shortcuts everywhere. say it. Anyway. This is how we say goodbye in Swedish. Bye-bye, IKEA. Thanks for coming along to IKEA. I hope you learned some good hacks from this.
And we saved years off of your life.